In about 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to turn your phone camera into your webcam. If you're one of those people that want to create content, you have a personal laptop, but then you don't have money to afford a sophisticated camera, and yet the webcam of your system is nothing to write home about. I want to show you quickly how you can actually leverage on technology to make use of your phone camera as your webcam. So let's just go ahead very quickly. Now, all you need to do is you need to download a software that is called Droidcam. Of course, there are a lot of screencast softwares, but the one I use most of the time, and it has been working for me for years, is this Droidcam. But then before you download the software, there's something you need to take note of. In order for you to be able to cast your phone camera to your system and you want to use it as your webcam, you need to ensure that both your system and your phone are on the same network. And what do I mean? That you put on your hotspot, ensure that your system is connected to the hotspot of your phone, or you have a router separate such that both your phone and your system, they are both connected to this router. But the major thing is that both your phone and your system must be on the same network. Now, having done that, you need to download this software called webcam. Now, here is my phone interface. The one you are seeing by your left, your phone is my phone interface. And once you connect your hotspot to your system, now you see this thing you can see. You also see it on your phone device IP. But peradventure, if your phone is not connected to your system, I mean the hotspots now, you will only be seeing those two icons, the device IP then Droidcam, instead of three. Until you have three, you will be able to connect. And next thing you do now is, after connecting your hotspot, you put on your phone hotspot, then connect your system to your phone hotspot. That will ensure that they are both on the same network. And as soon as you get that done, the next thing you do is install the Droidcam on your phone. And once you install the Droidcam on your phone, you'll be seeing something like this. It will look like this that you can see on your screen. And not just that alone, as soon as you install on your phone, the next thing you do is you need to install the desktop client of that same Droidcam. Go to your browser, just search Droidcam client, or if you're using Windows for Windows, if you're using MacBook for Mac, as the case may be. As soon as you get it, you install it. And once you install it and you launch that application on your system, you get to see things like this. And as soon as you see it, there are several ways you can connect your phone with your system. One of the ways is you can use USB and you can use Wi-Fi. If you want to connect through USB, it's fine, but then it's easier with Wi-Fi because you can decide to place your phone anywhere, position it the way you want it to, as camera. Now, once you do that with the Wi-Fi, now we're using Wi-Fi icon to connect. So once you install the phone application and also the desktop client, the next thing you do is you come to your desktop. Onto your desk, you can see where I see webcam device IP. This first IP address that you can see changes over time, so it's not fixed. Once you launch it, you need to re-input it. So you have 10.36.69.10. And once you do that, you click start. Click start. Now, sometimes you might be getting this kind of error message. Is not a problem. It happens because it's network we are dealing with. So you just click OK. Then you can decide to close the app and reopen it again. You can see it now. You can see that connection works. So you can see that my phone camera popped up automatically. But let me just connect again. I'll just start. You can see that it actually worked, and I can see my phone camera right on my system. Now the next thing you do now is you can see that my phone camera is on my system now. The next thing you do now is, if I want to do like a screencast such that my face will be showing around that corner, then I can also talk and teach. All I just need to do the same way I will select my system webcam. This Droid can also pop up as one of the options. Instead of selecting HP webcam, you can now select thread cam as the webcam you want to use. And automatically you can position your camera whichever way you want it. You can see that anyhow you want, you can position your camera and off you go. So even if you don't have sophisticated system or you don't have sophisticated webcam and you cannot afford to buy sophisticated camera, all you need to do is get a good phone with good camera and then you can use your phone camera as your webcam. And that's just it. So that'll be all for now. I'll see you in the next video.